It was so fun hanging out with you, getting knowing you. We're part of a Liberty Walk USA family now, I feel. We're gonna go above Alex Choi. パパと2人で楽しかったんだよね。いっぱい車の楽しいことできた。
Yeah, that's the first impression I had. So these damn things doesn't get much more wriggle than this. Yeah, let the smoke come in. So hopefully you see this fits this.
Alright, so we're up here, Big Sur, and like I started telling you last night, we've gotten a little bit more air compressor or airbag issues here, air suspension issues. We're not blowing fuses anymore, but yesterday we got an error that never came up before. It said the compressor froze. So John here, chassis fab in Houston, right?
Yeah.
In Houston, he knows these systems inside and out. Thank God he's with us with Rudy right now, and he's helping us get this system bypassed. Apparently we got two compressors. The one of the two compressors is not doing very well. It's probably at its life cycle. It's not creating pressure the way it should. He's now, whoop, that doesn't go in there. John did is now bypass some things here, bypass a relay, and he added direct power to this other compressor, the good one that wasn't working as it should have been. So now he's forcing air in here, and we should get pressure back, at least enough to get the car up to where it needs to be to run. More issues, but you know what? We're learning as this goes. Thank God we got somebody who knows what he's doing here, like John. Hey guys, I want to thank you for a fun day, man. That was beautiful driving on the coast. What gorgeous place to do it. 2 Liberty Walk cars together going through that. That was a lot of fun. You know, I hope to hook up with you guys again. And the reason being is, I mean, you saw my car right now, but you didn't see my car the way it's going to be done.
Right.
So I'm going to do something I haven't done for anybody else except for the kid. I want to show you a sneak preview of what my car is, but I can't show anybody on camera, okay? So this is all inside information, all right? Hang on, sorry guys, you're going to get to see it soon, but not quite yet.
Excited.
Oh, hello there. Yes, there we are. Ooh, look at that. Thank you. All right, you guys ready?
What? Yeah, that's amazing, dude.
Is that bringing Japan to the United States or what?
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do. I just want to say, listen, it's so nice to meet you guys. Thank you for your help.
It was fun.
It was so fun hanging out with you, getting knowing you.
Amazing.
We're part of a Liberty Walk USA family now,
Yep,
I feel.
absolutely.
And I hope that we get together again, man.
All right.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah, so much fun.
So much fun this week. What a great way to end our week. We're going to end it at
Absolutely.
Exotics on Canada Road, but only after we're done eating these awesome looking burgers.
Burgers,
huh? California burger. We are in California.
Pretty damn good.
Do they have California burgers in Texas?
Nope.
Not like this, they don't, I bet, huh?
Not at all.
Not the $25 version ones, do they? Enjoy. Made that thing last, right? Savor it. Cool, man. Enjoy your lunch, guys. Thanks. What's up, guys? Wait a minute, so whose signatures are on here right now?
Alex Choi.
Oh, where's Alex Choi? I can only sign above Alex Choi, sorry. I can't sign below him.
Right up here?
Yeah, you tell him I said that
No,
too.
it's this one.
All right,
No,
so
that's Schweez, isn't it?
Choi's right up here, I think.
Yeah,
that's Choi.
Yeah, that's
All right, I gotta sign higher than Choi, right? Oh boy, you got all the big boys on here. I'm going right over Benjamin's head.
Smallest guy with the biggest signature.
You like that? The guy with the least subscribers signs the biggest face, huh? We're gonna go above Alex Choi.
Official.
There it is.
Thank you.
You tell him, if you see Alex Choi, he says, Steve said he's signing above you. What's up, guys? Where the cops at?
Nowhere, you good, you good.
Yeah. What's up, man?
What's up?
Don't get yourself a ticket now, all right? Stay clean, all right? It's nice meeting you guys. Have a good night.
You too.
See ya. あっちゃん。帰り道だね。どうこの、何日 ?4 日間 ?3 泊4日っていう感じの旅だったんだよね。どう楽しい夏の最後にこれ楽しくできた。 のはどう？
楽しかった。
パパと2人で楽しかったんだよね、いっぱい車の楽しいことできた。フェラーリに乗れて、アレックスもたくさん運転できて、新しい友達とファンに会えて楽しかったね。ダメだったのはホテルぐらい。ホテルは最悪だったね。最悪だったけど、まあそれでもね、笑い事にできるから今は別にね、怒ることじゃなくて、まあ最悪だったなーって、もう二度も止まらないなーって思うぐらいで、また次、まあ勉強になったね。もっとリサーチが必要。もっと前に予約入れないとダメ。それととりあえず夏の最後にこんな楽しいのができたのは何よりだよね。なので
ありがとう。
サムズアップあっちゃんね。また来年また来よう。これからね。じゃあね、またあっちゃん頑張ってね。皆さんアレックスに応援のメッセージを送ってあげてね。大学の2年生になるんで、水泳も頑張るし、大学の勉強も頑張らないといけないので応援してあげて。あっちゃんキッドだよね。ということで、またあと忘れる前にチャンネル登録よろしくね。よろしくお願いします。登録してください。それと Amazon、 そしてまあ日本だったらね、 Amazon にスティーブ的視点のグッズいっぱい入ってるのでチェックしてね。ステッカーもある。車に貼れるステッカーの、ノートブックパソコンに貼れるステッカー、それと T シャツ、それとキーチェーン、ほらキーチェーンもある。いろんなグッズはもう日本にあるので国内発送。
Well, everybody, please subscribe. We need the subscribers.
Can you give me we're looking for 1 million. We got a little more ways to go. Not too far, right, kid? We're edging in on 1 million. So subscribe now. In the meantime, sign them out, kid.